Are you tired of treating your costly network infrastructure like like a static paper map?
Right, especially when it actually functions as this living, breathing organism.
Exactly. Welcome to today's deep dive. Our mission today is redefining the relationship between telecom teams and their software.
Yeah, specifically we are looking at the Zonedge digital twin for fiber optic networks.
Right. And, okay, let's unpack this. Calling your engineers and techs users of Zonedge is, well, it's like calling the master chefs in a kitchen eaters.
Oh, I love that analogy.
Yeah, because they don't just consume what is handed to them, they create the intelligence.
They really do. And taking your chef analogy further, imagine if everyone in the kitchen is cooking at once. Editing the exact same recipe in real time.
Wow, okay.
Because a digital twin isn't just a 3D model, it is an active mechanical ecosystem. So when you label the people interacting with it as users, you strip away their actual value.
Yeah, you totally missed the point.
Exactly. They are contributors actively building the intelligence of the network.
Okay, so if they aren't just users eating what's served, how are they actually cooking? Like, what does it look like mechanically when a tech is out in the field using this?
Well, think of it like a highly secure private Wikipedia tailored specifically for your network.
A private Wikipedia. Got it.
Right. Every action updates the central logic. For instance, the manager establishes the baseline rules and parameters.
Okay, setting the boundaries.
Yeah, and then the engineer designs the future build. They embed their exact problem-solving logic right into the system's routing path.
So the engineer maps it out. But, I mean, reality often clashes with the blueprint, right?
Oh, 100%. And that is where the technician comes in.
Using the mobile app, Zonedge terrain.
Exactly, out in the field. When they find an undocumented cable or, say, a blocked conduit, they update the system on the spot.
Wait, so they literally correct the map right there?
They do, which instantly alters the routing logic for the engineer back in the office.
Oh, wow. Meanwhile, I'm guessing your administrative staff act as guardians of truth for the contracts?
Yep. And customer service spots immediate market patterns from the calls they field.
Okay, but wait.
Well, what's fascinating here is that every single one of those data points forces a real-time data collision.
Right.
It adds up to human intelligence crystallized into a digital format.
Wait, hold on. A live system with everyone editing at once? Doesn't that become absolute chaos?
What do you mean?
I mean, overlapping edits, conflicting data, just a total mess of errors like you see on public wikis sometimes.
Yeah, that is a valid fear. But it misses the architectural difference.
Okay, so?
This is a fully private, permissions-based system. You dictate exactly who edits, who views, and how the information flows.
Ah, so you have total control over the input.
Exactly. And most importantly, you own the intellectual property completely. It is not the organized chaos of the public internet.
Okay, well, here's where it gets really interesting. Because once you have that secure structure, you get this incredible multiplier effect.
Oh, absolutely.
Because in the old days, it was an Excel spreadsheet here, an AutoCAD file there, just pure data silos.
Right. Totally disconnected.
Yeah, but here, let's say a manager sets a market priority for a specific neighborhood, and the engineer maps the fiber path.
Right, and then that field tech discovers an empty, undocumented conduit along the path.
While admin simultaneously verifies the client data for that exact block.
Exactly. Suddenly, all those isolated facts combine into one crystal clear, immediate priority project.
That is just wild to think about.
Yeah, and if we connect this to the bigger picture over the course of just 1 year, this compounding intelligence completely replaces the need for static tools.
Because of the silos, right?
Right. An Excel sheet creates data silos, whereas a living digital twin forces data collision.
Makes total sense.
The moment it is printed or saved on a hard drive, an AutoCAD map is outdated, but the digital twin evolves daily.
It transforms from a static database into a predictive engine.
Exactly.
So what does this all mean? It means you and your team are not users.
No, not at all.
You are the architects of your own operational intelligence. You build the very system that drives your operations forward.
It is a fundamental shift in operational reality. You are constantly feeding a system that immediately feeds back.
Making the entire organization smarter, faster, and more aligned.
Exactly right.
Which leaves us with this final thought. If your digital twin learns directly from your team's daily habits and feedback loops, what hidden communication bottlenecks in your company might it suddenly expose?
That is a great question to leave on.
Start designing, operating, and innovating your fiber optic network today.